Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are learn about how to create card expanding. You can use this small project in your website. Like let's see, this is the card slider. When you click on this slider, the slider move right to left like this. Today we are creating use of the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now let's start today's project. First of all, I create one main div. In this div, I assign some class whose name is container here. Let me explain with the like code. Now you can see here. This is the main div whose name is container. Class name is container. Okay. In this div, I created in this multiple div. In this div, like this is the div in the main div container. This is div panel. This class name is panel dot act. Okay, let's explain with the code. I created one div. In this div, I created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 divs because here is a 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I created 5 divs in the main div. In this div, I assign same class like panel and I assign the background image. You can see here. This is the background image. This Apple Watch, camera, drone, MacBook, and smart TV. This is the background image. And in the last, this is the heading. Like Apple Watch, you can see here. This is the smart TV. You can see it is a heading. Asterisk tag. In the last, I use script tag because I implement the index script.js file here. Now we understand how to CSS work. First of all, in the box sizing border box, you can see, but in this a universal tag and the body, the font family is sans serif and the display is grid. Let me explain with the using inspect. Yes, this is the grid. This is the grid. This is h1 tag. This is p1 tag. This is the main div. In this div, this is the one image. We can say one div here. This is the background image and their URL. And after I using s3 tag in the bottom like this is smarty, this is the s3 tag. Let's understand with the CSS. I using grid property and align item center and justify content center. By using this, you are take the automatic margin from the left and the right. It look like center. Like see, this is the perfect center of the left and the right. and then their height and margin assigned, and the background color is black. You can see here the black color in the background, so it is set by background color. After I use s1 tag and assign color is white. S1 tag is nothing but this is expanding cards. Their color is white. Here, this is the h1 tag. After I use dot container and display flags and with 100 view height. By using view height, you create a responsive website object using view height. You cannot use the pixel to give in width or height. You should use the view height or view width. If you not use display flags, then it's look like row wise. You can see here image is the line by line. If you use display flags in the container is nothing but the main div. This is the main div. We assign the display flags to this div. Got it? After I design dot panel is nothing but all these cards. All these cards divs. I assign the background size, then position, and background repeat, no repeat. By using this, you can easily show one image. If you don't use this, then image is repeating many times. You can see here in the bottom, here, here, and here. Many types of image is overloading. Overlayer is created. If you want to remove, then you can use. And this is the color of the text. And this is the cursor pointer. If you move your mouse on the card, then mouse is changing to pointer. You can see here in the right output session, mouse cursor is changing. And then I assign position relative. By using this relative position, you can easily modify in this same class. And I use transaction flags iris in. When you start, first of all is slightly come to the left to right, like we can yes, wait, we can also restart the live server. You can see in the right, its card is slightly moved like this. Got it? Then I designed panel S3. This is a child selector, but this is the class of the panel, and in this div I use the S3 tag and I design facially S3 tag. This all value is considered for the S3. And then this is the panel active. This is the main div. That flex is 7 because it is not more than movement. It's required space. And then we use the dot heading is nothing but this h1 tag. This h1 tag come to the center, take the margin automatically from the left and the right, and use dot desk. This is the p tag class is desk. We designed this tag. We assign tag align center, their color and the margin. This is we contain center from the left and the right by using text align center. If you don't use this, oh sorry, in this, then you easily see that is not perfectly center from the left. By using text align center, text is automatically come to the center and take the margin from the left and the right. This is the media query. When maximum width is 480 pixel, then dot container class is working. Their width is 100 view width. This is the basically we use to create responsive. So let's see. See 480 pixel. You can see when is 480 pixel come, then this 2 div is going to be unseen. This 2 divs is disappear because the display is none. Let's understand with this JavaScript. Here JavaScript, we stored the dot panel class in the panels. We assign the values in the one variable and then use the event listener. In this event listener, when you click in the card, then card is automatically active and move in the next card. If you want to review in the card, then if you click in the previous card, then that card is automatically come to the current position. It removed active positions. It removed class active from the all parents. By using this JavaScript, you create a dynamic structure. So let's see the final output. This is the main first div. In this first div, this is the main div, okay? You can easily understand. This is the main div. In this div, we created 5 divs. Second, third, fourth, and 5. After that, it runs JavaScript code. First, browser can run this HTML code and then the script.js file is running. you should use the mentioned script file in the bottom. Let's start clickable or not. Yes, it is perfectly clickable. So guys, thank you for watching this video. You can use this code in the comment section. You can easily clone the code. If you don't know how to clone the code, so I already made one video how to clone code from the GitHub. So you can watch that video and easily take the code from the GitHub. So thank you guys.